mercy. That's America. Have you heard a brand new dance? It's called Flirt. You don't need enough finesse, enough personality. I just need to attitude and everybody sing me. Come on now, what? Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, boy, that's how I say it. What? Hallelujah. I said, oh, 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 oh. Come on, brothers, don't be cruel. Women like sometimes when men act fool. Sisters, don't be shy. I said let your body get loose. You ain't too fat to fly. Come on now, what? Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, boys, and sing with me. Right? Hallelujah. I said, oh, 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 oh. Come on now, this song ain't for everybody, just those sexy people. America, head to head, about the sexy new dance, it's called Flirt. You don't need no finesse and no personality, just need to attitude and everybody sing me. Come on now, what? Hallelujah, I'll say, oh, 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 oh. Yes. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, when the whole floor, I want everybody on the floor. You know the scoop is sexy. I don't want no script no more. Look around. Yes, I'll show you we live. Hey, hey. Says I mean twins, you don't have to scoop. Come on, fellas, play me something, my friends. Come on, pass me that hat. You wanna play me something, man? Now I look out there and I see all kind of sexy young ladies. They're just waiting to be taken out. Alright. I said I pledge allegiance to the band. Come on, fellas, help me out on this one. I pledge allegiance to the band. Hallelujah. Oh, oh, oh. Alright. Hallelujah. I said, oh, 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 oh. I said, fellows, what's the word? Yes, when you want to get some, what do you do? I said, fellows. Hey, what's that damn word? Hey, when you wanna get some, what do you do? I said America. Hey, pass that word. Yes, when you wanna get some, what do you do? Hey, America. Hey, pass that word. Yes, when you wanna get some, what do you do? Well, it's about time that we like to announce that we are the band Flirt. We're going to be here until about 2 o'clock this morning. So stick with us, and we'd like to see some people on the dance floor when we come back. Right now, we'd like to have a pause for the alcohol cause.